everybody, it's Coco from Coco & Co. And today we're here with my friend and celebrity florist,
oh, please.
Casper. Clap for him, everybody. And he's gonna show us how to do a fabulous Mother's Day arrangement.
I'm gonna teach you how to make Oasis your best friend.
Yay.
Like, I think it's good to get the essentials to keep at home. You can get some floral tape, cutters, and some Oasis. With Oasis, drop it in the bucket and just let it sink.
I push it in.
Push
I'm
it
a
in.
pusher.
Don't push. What happens is that it's not
Dang.
gonna fully soak, and then the air pockets that you create in there will kill the flower. What I tend to do is, like, after I've taken it out, is I'll put it on top of like this shape here, and then with some knives, I'll just cut the tips so it goes in perfectly.
What kind of flowers are we gonna use today?
I wonder which ones we should use.
Wait, what's in season right now?
Peony at the moment is like in, which is gorgeous. There's coral peony, ranunculus. You've got so much at the moment. So I'm gonna start off by taking this massive, beautiful peony. This is what I'm also known for.
Yes, you are. I love when you do that.
Do you want to try putting
Yes,
something in there?
I do.
Do you want to attempt doing one of these?
Okay.
And I take it like with my fingers, and and then if you want, you can shake it a little bit and blow.
The dress, I love it. Okay.
Right?
It's so beautiful, and if you made this for your mother, it would be so thoughtful.
Have fun with it. There are no rules. Cover your bases, mix what you want. You did an amazing job. I am so impressed.
Thank you.
For your first time.
I mean, it just makes it a whole different flower. It's so cool.
I'm trying to stay with all the blushes and the pinks
My
and
dream.
the corals.
Now, which mother wouldn't love to get that? C'est magnifique. Thank you so much, Casper.
Thank you. You're the best.
You're the best. Oh, my
Oh, I got a little
goodness.
gift for you. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Just in case you got plans for the
Oh
weekend.
my God. Are we going to Coachella? Did you not? Did you find me tickets? I love it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, Casper, so much for sharing your talents with us. Make sure you check out our Instagram for a really fun contest we're doing, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with for Mother's Day.